Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Groen electrically heated self-contained tilting kettle. It's a 5-gallon capacity. It's a 20 quart actually. It's their TDB 7/20 and as you can see, it's all stainless steel construction. We've been running about 15 minutes. We're running on 208 single phase voltage, and without getting the lens too foggy, you can see we're just about boiling. The unit has a unique feature. It has a slide out pouring drawer. Very nice feature to have. There's a 24-hour timer contained in that gray box. You can see we're holding 30 psi in the jacket. It's rated for 50. It has a sight glass, pressure relief of course, and the kettle tilts easily by hand. We have lots of kettles in our stock: tilting, agitated, standard type straight kettles, tanks, vessels, everything in process and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.